Hi, I'm Chris, N9CPR. A little bit of a different video today and a short one. But today we are going to put a plug on an Ethernet cable. So you see I already have it separated into the 4 different strands. By the way, these are all transmission lines, twisted pairs. And they are, I don't know if you can tell, they are twisted at different rates so that they don't crosstalk across each other. So this is actually kind of the same thing as, well, it's probably more similar to ladder line than coax, but it's 4 of it. And then also the impedance is about 100 ohms. So here's what we're going to do. The particular particular cable I'm using, I think this one's brown and this one's orange. They're kind of hard to tell. But I'm going to start with untwisting these two. And now the idea is eventually this plug is going to go this way. And then from left to right, I'm going orange stripe, orange. I'm going to take green stripe. Then blue and blue stripe. We're installing a doorbell here, so used to be you only had to run 2 wires. The hardest thing about this is, well, I'm using solid wire here too, which makes it harder, but getting everything nice and parallel and straight. Okay, there we go. So blue stripe, and now we're gonna go green. Try to walk him out here. And then brown stripe and brown. Now we get to play with all of these. Get them kind of flat. The most important part, you put the RJ45 in your mouth. Just going to trim the end off here so it's nice and flush. The putting it in your mouth was the most important part, by the way. Carefully slip all of these in. Now, see, I've only got it halfway. I'm going to double check. Orange stripe, orange, green stripe, blue stripe, green, brown stripe, brown. Cool. Now I'm going to push this all the way to the end. I'm looking on both sides. And I don't know if you can tell, but the wires aren't all the way, so I gotta pull this out, grab a knife, just gonna cut a little more of this sheath very carefully. If you're a professional at this, you don't have to do this. Nor do you have to try to talk with a RJ45 plug in your mouth. There we go. Put it away. Try this again. Slip this on like this. Nope, I'm backwards. It's like this. Okay. Now, if I look at it here, orange stripe, orange, green stripe, blue stripe, green, brown stripe, brown. Okay, that's good. Now I push it all the way in. Make sure all of these wires go all the way to the end. They are. I'm going to grab my crimper, stick this in, and give her a crimp. Now, one thing to note, what I did here is one of two wiring methods, I guess. The other one has the wires slightly different order. This one that I did is by far the most common. So, hopefully you found that helpful. If you like this kind of thing, give the video a like, subscribe if you want more of it. If you do subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell as well, otherwise you're not going to see what I upload. Any questions or comments, do that down below, and we'll see you in the next video. 73.